I am 3 floors up on top of my house. Viewers and subscribers, today is a very special day. You know why? Because I'm gonna do something I haven't done in years now. As a matter of fact, I haven't done any exercise in quite some time. However, what I'm about to do, I'm gonna run from my community, which is the community of Rose Heights, located in the city of Montego Bay, in the parish of St. James, and of course, my beautiful country, Jamaica. Love it, see? However, I'm going on this mile-and-a-half journey and I'm taking you along so you can experience it with me, all right? Now, what I'm about to do, I'm going to focus a camera at my finishing point in Mount Salem. Bear in mind, this is a mile-and-a-half away. So I'm going to focus this camera. You can stay right here in Rose Heights and see me when I get to my finishing point in Mount Salem, all right? It's going to be a lot of fun, all right? And I'm taking you on this journey, all right? Here goes. I actually have a video with my phone. So we're going on the road now. Go on the road. Of course, you know, this is a lot of work, but can't achieve nothing without hard work and determination. So here goes. From Rose Heights to Mount Salem. Alright, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to time me and tell me how long it take me to reach from Rose Heights to Mount Salem. Right? This is a great opportunity to burn some energy. It's cardiovascular. Well, I can't even pronounce the proper word right now, but y'all know what I mean. Okay, so after the first couple minutes, I realized my breath don't breathe. Trying to talk and jog at the same time. It's a challenge, you know. Right now I'm in a community of Rosemount Gardens. Check it out. Blessed. Woo. Run down.
Somebody are run, buddy. Somebody are mad. Somebody start mad now, pull on. Pull on. I'm a madman. Watch him run again.
Great Open Bible Church. Of course, that's a Montego. That's a Mount Salem landmark. It's been here from ever since I remember myself. Okay. We reach. We reach. Woo! We reach. Nothing beat a child with a failure. Why? I'm tired. Can't hardly keep up on the foot. Oh God. Woo. Trust me, I did it. I did it. My heart is pounding through my chest and I can feel my chest burning. Those specific muscles that has to do with the movements of your feet and also every aspect of your body during motion while jogging. So you can just imagine how I'm feeling right now, given the fact that I do not do this on a regular basis. Woo. Yo, I won't lie. I'm doing my best to speak the best English I know. You all know that I'm a Jamaican, living right here in Jamaica, right? And my indigenous language is Patois. Some of you might be aware of it, some of you might not. Yeah. Trust me, I need to do this more often. You know, it's a great opportunity to keep my body in motion. Y'all remember the three fundamentals, right? It's vibration, frequency, and of course energy. Trust me, if you apply those three fundamentals to your daily life, it will make you be more connected to what is happening inside of you and also outside and around you, which has to do with your environment and the world at large, to unlock a new chapter in your life, a new level in life. So do your research. You see it, so it's always beautiful and interesting to meet new people. Where are you from?
I'm from London in the UK.
Okay, you know Jamaica and England have a history together, you know that, right?
I certainly do, yeah.
Yeah, so we are the next generation, we are the new face of this. We are the new face of this relationship, and you see what's happening here? Yeah. Beautiful things happening with beautiful people. Do it, no man.
Yeah, Jamaica, England, back together again.
That's love, you get to me I say?
Yeah. Certainly is.
Perfect example right there.
We've been married almost 5 years now.
Wow, I'm trying to find the perfect one, you know?
I mean, wish all the best for her.
Yeah, and I hope that she's somewhere out there for me, because everyone deserves someone beautiful to be a part of their life, their experience. You know, so I'm looking forward to it. So thanks again, guys, and enjoy it.
I found mine 5,000 miles away.
Even though I'm 5,000 miles away, true love is here to stay. You get to me, I say? Everything good?
Yeah, man, I say the funny thing.
Yes, it. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, today is a beautiful day, man. Trust me, I never thought that today would be such a wonderful day. But of course, I'm I'm open, so I'm receptive to anything that's positive. I did it! And I'm feeling so proud! I'm proud of myself! So I'm heading back home, right? Woo! Yeah, I'm not telling all I'm tired. I'm not crazy. I'm just a liberated soul. One that does not limit myself. Of course, you know that possibilities are endless, right? So why not try some new possibilities and see how best they fit your life? Try it for a change. Do not be afraid to step out of the idiot box. And of course, I told you that I ran, I would say it's probably a mile and a half. I reached back on my yard. I'm back. And I'm tired. I'm sweaty. And all my muscles are cramped. The objective is to overcome. And that's exactly what I did. So, no matter what, remember the 3 fundamentals: energy, vibration, and of course, frequency.
Thank you for viewing. Please remember to subscribe. See you later.